Well, welcome back to Great Day Washington. We all know that aging is inevitable, but as you grow wiser, you should know about some options that will help you stay youthful and looking fresh. And returning to Great Day this morning is board-certified dermatologist Dr. Nicole Hayre. She is founder of Cosmetic Dermatology Center. Welcome back to the show, Dr. Hayre.
Thank you. Thank you for having me again.
Now, first of all, tell the viewers a little bit about your expertise.
Well, after graduating from MIT, I came down to Washington, D.C. to go to medical school. And during that time, I found my real passion for dermatology, and that's history. Here I am.
That is so impressive to know that you studied at MIT, which is like an internationally known school, and that you're so passionate about skincare and making people look youthful. Tell me about some of your procedures. Mainly, I'm thinking fillers is very popular.
It's extremely popular, and that is where I get to be an artist, and so it's my favorite thing to do. I've been injecting for several decades, actually, and it's been interesting to see how techniques have evolved and fillers have evolved, and you can get a really nice natural look without looking done at all, and just look like yourself and more youthful, and it makes people pretty happy.
People say it's like a liquid facelift, right?
It is. It is.
And you brought some before and after pictures to kind of show the amazing results.
I did. So one of the problems that most people have over time is that the under eye area starts to look tired and it hollows out. And so when we put some filler back in there, it's an instant youthful look. And it's a little daunting sometimes for people to take that plunge, but they absolutely love it. And it tends to last for about a year.
Lasts for about a year. I mean, these pictures are amazing, and the women, not only do they look more youthful, they look like they are more rested or like they just came back from vacation.
And that's exactly it, and their friends will say that, oh, did you have a vacation? Oh, you had a good night's sleep. They don't realize exactly what was done.
Well, we are still in January, and people want a whole new body, you know, when we come into a new year. And you also do body contouring.
I do. So my office has been doing body contouring for many years. We've gone through many different technologies and devices, and the latest one we have is Vanquish Me, and I'm actually a lead author on a medical paper about to be published about how powerful it is.
Really? Wow. So take me through, what are we seeing right here in this picture here? They kind of put something over your tummy, if that's your area you want to fix, right?
Yes. So that's a panel that has radio frequency in it, and it targets the fat. And essentially what it does is it superheats the fat so that the fat self-destructs and it goes away. It does take time to see the difference, so it'll take a couple months to really see the difference, but it's a very easy way to dissolve fat. And in the study, we show that the results actually rival liposuction, which is obviously a lot more invasive. So many people opt to do this.
So they always say that good abs are made in the winter, and that doesn't mean you have to do a sit-up. I'm intrigued now. You can do it with the body contouring as well.
Exactly. So it's a great time if you're already thinking ahead to spring and summer to do this now, and you'd have your results by then.
Do you have some before and after pictures?
I do. I have a before and after, and you can see that this lady lost a significant amount of fat. Most people do lose an inch or two, some even more. It depends on the person. And you know what they'll find in general is that their clothes fit better, their pants fit better.
Absolutely. I'm just thinking of someone who had a baby 3 years ago. You know, I could use something like that, or maybe someone, you tend to gain weight as you get older. What type of person, I know in my head who would be the perfect patient, but you tell me because you're the doctor.
Yeah, so as people get older, as you said, the metabolism changes and it becomes harder and harder to stay thinner. So we can treat any pinchable fat at my office because we have multiple different devices. So as you saw, the Vanquish is great for that tummy fat. We can also lay it across where people have that bra fat. But we also have a sculpture where we can target specific areas because it has smaller panels and we can customize a treatment. So we can really treat anything.
Well, this is great. So if you can pinch it, you can treat it. Is that
Exactly.
okay?
We can treat it.
I like this, Dr. Nicole. I want to